right, here's the deal. I can't in good conscience leave a nice motorcycle and given that you're going to a children's hospital and doing all that, I got a tow truck coming. I'm going to move your bike from here to just somewhere off of Quebec.
Somewhere safe. Okay.
Yes, into a parking lot.
Okay.
Because I don't want you moving this and getting hit whenever you put it on the trailer.
I was going to say, I'm very lucky that I have this, but I was starting to get worried.
I absolutely agree.
Yeah.
So I've got a tow truck. They're coming from Castle Rock, so it's going to be a minute.
Okay.
So we're just going to move it off of here.
Just to the exit?
To the exit. I'll give you, if you can give me a number,
yeah.
I'll give you my number. You can call me personally. I'll let you know where it is. I'm going to pay for it.
No.
It's Christmas time, and
come on,
that's
man.
what it's okay. Don't worry about that. I'm not. It's totally fine.
Okay.
But I can't good conscience leave your bike here. So, and I don't want you guys getting. Everybody's gonna be looky-looing, and I don't want you guys.
Pull rank. I'm a captain.
I know.
Okay.
But I'm gonna get your bike moved, and then if you want to run and get your trailer, I know it's gonna take a minute.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get my card for you, and I'll write my work cell phone on it.
Yeah.
Shoot me a text or call me.
Okay.
And I'll get yours as well, and then I'll just let you know where it's at.
That's amazing.
Sound good?
Officer, what's your name?
Zach.
Zach, Matt.
Nice to meet you.
I'm so grateful to you.
Oh, don't.
I mean this from the bottom of my heart.
Don't be. I'm just not. I can't. I don't know. If your bike got stolen, I would never forgive myself.
It is all I have left. That's pretty true. Okay.
Sound good?
Thank you so much.
No problem at all. No. Thank you. Absolutely.
Thank you.
All right, and then just text me, and I'll let you know the tow truck is here and where we're at and all that stuff. Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
All right.
Thank you, Zach.
Absolutely. It'll be safe. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.